Life doesn't come with a manual, it comes with a mother. To all the extraordinary moms out there, we have a special message for you this Mother's Day. Moms, you are the heart and soul of our families. You juggle a million things every day. From soothing our tears to cheering our victories, you are our confidants, our role models, and our unwavering supporters. For all the love, dedication, and sacrifice you make, we want to do something special for you.
This Mother's Day, we are not just saying thank you, we are showing it. In the month of May, take a loan from OneNDF, and then all you have to do is pay the first 11 EMIs on time, and for the 12th EMI, OneNDF will pay the interest. Yes, you heard that right. Consider it a small token of appreciation for everything you do, because your love knows no bounds, neither does our gratitude. Happy Mother's Day to all the incredible moms out there. Thanks, Ma. You truly make the world a better place.